Hari oguo. Tuone kana tukuspoti Rhino hari oguo. Tutigocio gia twi mwena uria. Tuone kana tuguspotira twi haha.
Yeah, I saw some zebras, but like that is just crazy that you can go so close.
How did you get your skin dirty?
Probably rolled in the mud. Yeah.
Black Rhino.
Oh wow! Where? Oh my god, that's so cool! That is such a cool sighting. You do not see that often. Oh, look at this one rolling. How cool. That is amazing. That is wild. I don't think you do you know how rare this is?
To see that? Wow.
How insanely, especially a black rhino. Black rhinos are way rarer than white ones. Okay, wait. I have a perfect view. I have an amazing view of them here. That is such a, like, you can also see them like so clear, like not even because in Nairobi I saw some, but they were covered so, like the grass was so high that you could not see their horns even.
Yeah. Now you can see the whole entire
This one,
thing.
you can see the whole entire thing.
So which rhino do you think that is?
I know it's black because you said it. But I know that you can tell the black rhino and the white rhino apart because of the shape of their mouth. I thought that black rhino would be darker, but
Be lucky, sometimes we might not.
yeah, I mean it is wildlife, right?
Yeah.
Oh, let's hope they come this way.
They're coming this way.
Yeah, not too fast, not too close, but
Let me turn a place where I can run away.
okay, yeah. Let's be safe. Let's be safe, but if they come peacefully.
Where's looking too, like...
Yeah. But also these two that are together, like, are they
Male and female?
Male and female.
Oh, male and female. Oh, nice.
Which one is the male?
The one with the bigger horn, right? I guess.
Okay.
I assume.
Let me see the one
The
that's
smaller
male.
one.
Oh, the one looking at us right now?
The smaller one is the male. Oh, interesting. I would have no problem. I would have guessed otherwise.
Yes, I would have guessed it was the other one.
The males are a little bit smaller because of mating.
Okay.
So they can be able to jump.
Okay, yeah.
Even you can see the small one is the male.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they're mating season. If you get a tusk of a rhino, you are a millionaire.
Yeah.
But how will you be able to sell it?
With difficulty. I mean, it is highly illegal, right? Like.
But in Kenya, if you are found poaching, you are not arrested. You are killed. You are shot.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dangerous business.
In Kenya, we don't negotiate.
Is it
If you are poaching, you are shot dead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's why you find we don't have poaching in Kenya.
Is it a big issue? You see, there's a seed na sigakoma. Gatini yero here. Gatini yero here. Dan gainua nanga. Gainua nanga.
Can you imagine a rhino without a tusk? How would it be?
I've actually seen them because in South Africa they cut them.
Yes.
So they look cool, but not that cool.
Not
It's like it just loses something, right? Like this.
Yeah, you feel like
Looks aggressive.
Yeah, I mean, we saw a bunch of females with like little babies, and the babies still hadn't had it cut, but they also weren't grown tusks, and also they were white rhinos.
Tô com malho.
But
Lakini mtu etoa ada
yeah,
nyosa.
it's like they lost something. The sighting lost a little bit of.
Don't come near us. So if you go behind a rhino and it gives you a slap with the tail, it's more powerful than a human hand.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh
And the tail doesn't even look that heavy.
yeah.
And it's so muscular.
No. Oh, actually no. Yeah, in South Africa because they crossed the road right in front of us.
Yeah.
But again, they were white rhinos.
But we're not black.
They were not black,
So we
and
lucky
they were
to
not
be-
that cool.
We are lucky to be close to these black rhinos.
Yeah.
This is even me. For me, this is the second closest I've been to a black rhino.
Oh, nice. I mean, they are very, very close.
Really
And
close.
Really close. And also, like, what I find insane is that we're the only ones here. That is what, like, this would never happen in a national park.
In a national park, it will never happen. Everybody
Yeah.
is near you.
Like, not a chance.
Yeah. And there is no noise of the vehicles and all that.
Yeah.
We turned and they start moving.
It's like you had enough view. But this one still wants to
Nego
come
kayo
in.
okay te.
Wow.
Ako di ko sa piyayo ko. Na bebe tagire tu yoke. Dole na. Ni gire kule. Ni gire kule baby. Ni gire kule.
So you are my eyes. If you start coming very fast, you tell me.
Okay. I mean, so far it's just looking at us.
But don't
Oh,
make-
okay, and
don't
making.
make sudden movements. When
Ya
you
biya
Yeah.
ugumo.
Sudden movements are the ones that they come very fast.
Yeah.
And the way you see it as doing the tail, it's more aggressive, also showing you dominance.
Mm-hmm.
Because the tail is always when the tail is up, it means it's aggressive.
Oh, I got to know. Okay.
Alex,
that is
you're the best.
so, yeah, that is insane.
Wow. Wow.
Whoa. Yeah, no, I'm great. These are also Southern White Rhinos, right? Yeah.
Do you get how?
Okay, you have a good shot. Eh?
Oh yeah, yeah. No, the shot is amazing.
Very good, or should I turn the car this way?
No, the car, it's great actually. Also, Pejeta has done like a lot of conservation with rhinos, right?
Yes.
Think.
They are the ones who started like protecting the rhino.
Cool.
That's why they are very famous for the rhino.
Yeah. I mean, we've seen 8 rhinos today.
8
They've
rhinos.
counted.
Yeah.
That is insane.
But sometimes in Nairobi National Park, if you have a good guide, you can
Yeah.
see them doing that.
I see that. Oh well, I saw 3 in Nairobi National
Only?
Park. Yeah,
When we go there for me,
But-
we normally see
but they were not good sightings either. But like I said, I don't think I had a very good guide when I went to Nairobi National Park. I didn't. There were a few things about that tour that I didn't particularly like. But you know, it's fine. It happens sometimes. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. That's traveling.
But in Nairobi National Park, I wonder how you can miss right.
Little video. Okay, well. Wait, I'm gonna need you to stop again.
But here I'm not switching off the vehicle.
Okay, yeah. No need to switch it off.
Here you have to behave like
They are so close.
because it's a wild animal. You never.
No, yeah, of course.
The smaller one is a male, the big one is a female.
Yeah.
So you see the size of the shape of the mouth, they look like the same.
Yeah.
But the back is the one that is more different.
Yeah, we can go if you want. Oh, well, sorry, you're taking pictures. Sorry.
Taking a maybe a small video.
Yeah.
And you guys have had enough.
Yeah.